Hi guys, today we are going to unbox this beautiful Recon quartz clock that is made in India. The model number is RK48. It comes in two colors, that is brown and wood. Wood is a lighter shade of brown. Let us go ahead and unbox. This is how the clock looks like. It is big enough with bold numbering, beautiful and ideal for a home, for an office, for a school, basically any space that is large or small. Let us go to the next one, which is wood. This is the wooden clock, which is color brown, light brown. It is ideal for branding also. You can put a logo, company logo, school logo, individual photo. You can see the back. That is how the back looks like. It has a battery already attached. This clock goes for 2,500 shillings only. Thank you for watching and look out for my next unboxing video.